Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss variable declaration in Go programming. Let's get started. Let me create a new Go file first. I am giving the name as main.go, and let's start with package declaration, package main. So this will be an executable Go file, and then I'm defining the function here. So function main, parentheses, curly braces, and then I will define the variable here, where my variable name, I'm keeping the name as my underscore variable. Then type of variable, I'm giving a string followed by equals to inside quotes my first variable. Before writing the function, please notice one thing that I have not declared input in the file yet. Let me declare the function and you will see that VS Code will automatically import the library for us. It is because of the VS Code setup I had done on the setup and install video. The function I am writing is for printing the variable fmt.println. Then I am passing my variable name. Now let's execute this program. Let's open the terminal. If you have watched my previous video, then you might already know how to run the program. Now as we can see the output, it's printing the value that we have assigned to the variable. Let's understand the syntax of a Go variable. It starts with the keyword var. It tells the Go compiler that it is a variable declaration, the name of the variable, and the type of variable it is. On the right hand side of equal sign, we assign the value of the variable. In statically typed languages like Go, the type of a variable is known as compile time. This means you have to declare the type of each variable when you write your code. On the other hand, dynamically typed languages like Python determine the type of a variable at runtime. You don't need to declare types explicitly, and the same variable can be reassigned to different types of data. In Go, variables can be declared in two methods. The long form is the one that we have already seen. The short method is to define it like this. It starts directly from the variable name, then colon equal sign, and the value of the variable. In this short method, you can see that the type of the variable is not defined explicitly, as the Go compiler will automatically infer the type of the variable. If we execute the program, then we will get the same output. Now let's see how we can reassign values to the same variable. To reassign a new value to an already declared variable, we just need to remove the column, and rest of the declaration will be same. Now if we execute the program, we should get the second assigned value as the output. Now as you are familiar with the variable declaration part, let's discuss some basic variable types. First, the bool type. The bool type represents a boolean value, which can be either true or false. Next, we have the string type. A string in Go is a sequence of characters typically used to store text. Strings are enclosed in double quotes. Moving on, the int type. Int is used to store integer values, which are whole numbers without any fractional part. Lastly, the float64 type. Float64 represents a floating point number, which is a number with a decimal point. Now let's understand how functions and return type works. I am creating a new function with the name test and I am defining the return value here. Now let's call this function inside our main function and assign it to our my underscore variable. Okay, I can see there are some red lines highlighted by VS Code. If I see there, it shows the error as too many values. To fix this, we need to tell the Go compiler that the value of the return type of the test function is a string. Now, once we execute this program, we can see that my underscore variable is assigned the return value of a function test. Let's discuss some more variable declaration examples in Go. In the first example on the left hand side, you can see that the variable is declared outside the function, which is a valid statement, but the value of the variable is assigned inside the function. Let's move on to the next example on the right hand side. In this example, you can see that the variable declaration is a different statement and the value assignment is also a different statement. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.